It is Vlogmas day 5 and I am putting the kettle on because my throat hurts today. And I'm gonna have some oatmeal and some tea. Vlogmas day 4, here we go. And here we go, day 5. Having some, I just reserved a spin class. I'm having a big cup of tea and some oatmeal. I feel very tired today, but I have a lot to do. And yeah. I am drinking some coffee. Last I showed you I was drinking tea, and now I have moved on to coffee because, oh, I normally do 8 ounces too, by the way. And I was about to do my makeup because today's another one of those really boring days at home. And, I thought I would just kind of take you through like one of my, just really quick how I do my makeup. And I am using I already put like moisturizer and stuff on. I am using the YSL All Hours Concealer and I have a mirror next to me. So I'll be going back and forth. But also my hair is very gross, so ignore that. That's the downside of having red hair, is you can't wash your hair very often because, oh, that's the coffee maker. Sounds like someone having very explosive diarrhea. But so I just like pat this in. I used to use a beauty blender and I was like all about that life. And then I decided I don't have time for that life anymore. I also just like the look of like lightly tapping because I feel like it creates less of a cakey look. But so now that's in. I normally rotate between doing this and then like I have a Chanel foundation that I love, but today I'm going to do something different that I also do sometimes too, especially because I'm working out not that many hours. So I just want like a quick makeup moment just for some photos I have to take. So this is the Bare Minerals Fair Ivory 02 foundation, and it's like a powder foundation, which sounds like it would be weird, but I actually really like it. And it's super fast, which is probably why I love it, because I feel like it's so much faster and has a less oily feeling. So I try to listen to my skin. Like today my skin's really oily, so I feel like I can use this, but yesterday my skin felt really dry, so I used not powder, I used the Chanel that I love. And yeah, probably speed up this part of the video now that I'm done talking. For now anyway. Okay, so now I am taking this Bare Minerals veil and just like kind of tapping it in a little bit. Honestly, this probably isn't necessary. I'm just like a really freaking weirdo about powder. So I'm just gonna like get it all up in there. And now I am going to fill in my brows. I'm gonna use this Brow Gal. I love it so much that it's literally just a little baby now. And Duke heard me say baby like that, and he looked over here and it made me feel guilty. But I'm just gonna like fill in my eyebrows. I try not to go too crazy, but definitely the front of them like has to be filled because they got empty. Probably because when I was younger, I literally shaved off like the front of my eyebrow. A girl made fun of me and said that my eyebrows are too bushy, so I shaved half of them off. Let me tell you, not a good move. Not a good move. Man, oh man. Okay, so now that we have that done, I look really tired, and if I'm being honest, I am really tired. So just a disclaimer. Now I'm gonna take this, just a dry skin balm and put it on my lips so they get to hydrate for a little second. And I am now going to do just a quick eyeshadow. What do I want to use? Let's just use this older Urban Decay Gwen Stefani palette, and I'm going to use the shade Bathwater. And now I'm gonna take Baby and put it on the outside. Good. It's super light, very like everyday, nothing crazy. Now, because I feel like my under eyes need it, I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier powder. So now I am going to do my eyeliner, which I probably get literally the most questions about of anything else. So this is my freaking fave eyeliner ever. It is the Chanel eyeliner pen in Noir, and it is amazing. So I'm gonna try to like show you the steps of how I do my eyeliner. Honestly, trial and error and doing it for a long time. I used to suck, and the only thing that got me better was doing it all the time. But first I do the wing. So I do the wing, which looks like that. Oh, if it would like to focus, maybe here. So I do the wing, and now I'm gonna do a tiny line to like fill it in. It honestly looks very different every day, but I'm gonna try to mimic it on the other side. We'll see if that happens. Okay, normally I do it really fast, but because I'm doing it for this video, I keep messing it up. But no one's gonna notice, and it's okay. But yeah, basically I start with the wing, and then I just fill it in, and then I kind of like tinker with them slightly to get them kind of even, but they're sisters, not twins, and it's okay. Wait, can I see? Oh, I could see like Abby's little head peeking out, just a baby bit. And now I forgot, sometimes I take the setting spray and I put it on before I put on my eyeshadow and eyeliner. I feel like it helps to hold the pigment more. But now I'm gonna use, I have no eyelashes, as you can probably tell, and I'm going to use this Lancome. Oh, dude, just knocked down all the pillows. I'm gonna use this Lancome. It's basically like an eyelash builder. So now it's like, I'm gonna use this, it's white, and it's gonna create eyelashes. I mean, I think it's meant to like, I think that these add fibers maybe, and then, so I'm gonna let that sit, and I'm gonna do the rest of my face while it dries. I am now going to use the Urban Decay Sin Afterglow palette. It is highlighter and blush, but I actually use 2 of the highlighters to contour a little bit. I don't go overboard with this, but Abby's making us lunch back there if you guys are wondering what she's up to. Making some salads and veggie nugs. I just talk about veggie nugs every day. So I'm just gonna take these 2 and get a little bit. But I'm gonna take this and use this one in the middle, like kind of a combo of these 2. Just like a little bit. This is also from that Urban Decay palette. Okay, so now I have blush on. So now I'm just gonna blend that out too. Get it good. And now I'm going to take because my eyelashes have dried, I'm going to take this. I get my makeup bag so dirty, but most of these products I haven't had that long, but ooh, opening some arugula back there. This is the Grando, I'm not even gonna say, but it's Lancome. It looks like this. It's like weird because it's curved like this, which I didn't think that I would like, but it just works like really, really well. Okay, so I want to show you guys, just because it's so dope, the side that has it and the side that doesn't. There we go. Sometimes I put it on my bottom lashes. Maybe I'll... I did like a tiny bit right now. And now we just need highlighter and then we are good to go. Let's use this. It's e.l.f.'s Shimmer Highlighting Powder. You could really use it wherever you want. I typically use it here and I pat it in because I feel like e.l.f. stuff does not do good when you drag it. But I'm gonna pat it. Now I'm gonna blend it one more time. And this is almost the final look. I'm just gonna put a tiny bit of lipstick on. This is the Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Matte. And that is it. This is pretty much what I do every single day. Sometimes I fancy it up a little bit and do some different products or different eyeshadow. To be totally honest with you, it's normally that I switch out the products. I might use a gold highlighter instead of silver / white and do like different eyeshadows or lipsticks, but for the most part this is what I use every day. And now I'm trying to zip up my makeup bag. I also have this really cool Vera Bradley makeup bag, and why it's really cool is just because it has like compartments for your brushes and everything, and it, I don't know, it like keeps them very well organized. But here's a closer look at my makeup. And yeah, honestly though, this mascara is just like dope. I'm obsessed. Here is today's delicious salad. We're waiting for our nugs in the oven. They're up in there. The zoom is so slow.
Oh, I know, that's what makes it so good.
But they're in there, guys. They're in there. Abby felt we needed a little disclaimer that the nugs in our oven are fake chicken nuggets because we're vegetarian. I've said this before, but since this is another vlog, just to clarify. The only kind of nugs we got in our oven are some vegetarian nugs.
Caption.
I am currently shooting a lingerie set by the tree, and I thought I would show y'all a little behind the scenes. Bring me the ball. This is what I'm shooting. It's very chic, third love set. Duke, bring me the ball. Bring it to me. Come on. I wish I could see his face. Oh, good job! He caught it! I got some packages and I thought I would show y'all. This one's from Michael's and this one is from Kettle Chips, which is obviously very exciting. And give me 1 second, I'll start undoing them and I'll give you a little peek. Okay, so Kettle Chips, they've sent me chips before and it's very exciting because their chips are really good. But they sent, oh, that just fell. They sent sea salt, chili verde. I've never heard that. Have you had it?
Oh my god.
Oh, hells yes. Oh my god, I love dill pickle chips, especially theirs. And then some little tote bags. Also, to match my dog child, I got this amazing sweater that, honestly, I just think it is Duke. Like, he has, look, he has a dark spot here. Duke, it's you! I am headed out to go to the gym, finally. Abby and I kind of worked out a workout schedule, so today we're going to spin, and I have on this really cute polka dot set that I am obsessed with. And I'm now gonna head and wash all my makeup off because I cannot work out with makeup on or it makes me break out really bad, so here I go. I just told Abby that this photo of a girl holding a fried egg was a mood. And then she said that this protein powder on my face was a mood. This is me after the gym. And we are doing vlog 4 right now. And why yes, that is a ModCloth box back there. And why yes, I will do a haul for y'all. I might save it for tomorrow though, because I feel like this video contains a lot of things already, but it's a good one, so stay tuned. Come on Duke. Going on our walk with the doggos. There's all these lights in Greenpoint, they look super cute. I just took a shower and did my skincare, and I have on my naughty pajamas. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.